These earbuds cost less than a pub meal, but sound way better than you'd expect. It's Andy here, and today we're checking out Yobola T9 wireless earbuds. Ultra budget, surprisingly stylish, and packing some unexpected features. Today, I'll unbox them, run them through their specs, test the fit, try them on, jog along the Gold Coast, use them at the gym, and tell you whether these are cheap or genuinely good value. And yes, guys, as always, we're giving away a pair. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and check out the description below to enter. So I'm going to put them in just now. And as you can see, they're very much like the Apple AirPods kind of look. As you can see, they fit in my ears just there. Feel very, very nice and light as well. So yeah, there they are, just there. But what I want to do is start with the unboxing. Let's now have a look at the Yobola T9 earbuds. As you can see, they're just there. Now they've got the AirPods kind of design there, as you can see. So I'll take them out and have a quick look at them. Now here are the earbuds there. Now doesn't that look like a lovely case? Now it's a white case with USB-C charging at the bottom. Again, very similar to the Apple AirPods. So there's one just here, pop them just like that. And the other one's just here as well. So light comes on, they start working straight away. So there they are. You've also got the USB-C cable in here as well. So inside the box, you get a compact charging case, USB-C charging cable, and the earbuds themselves. First impression, they look clean. A simple design, clearly inspired by AirPods, but with a matte white finish that gives them a bit more style. The case, guys, is small enough to fit into any pocket or gym pouch, and the earbuds sit magnetically inside, charging as soon as you snap them in. Let's talk about fit. As you can see, I've got them in my ears just now, and they're designed to rest just inside the ear without deep insertion. This makes them ideal for people who don't like in-ear pressure. And as you can see, there they are in my ears just there. And see how they fit really, really nice? They don't move at all. They're incredibly lightweight, so I can't even tell they're on. And once you find the right angle, they stay surprisingly secure. So I actually ran with these, jumped with them, and hit the treadmill. No slipping, but like any open fit earbud, they don't offer a full seal. So guys, if you want sound isolation, it's quite limited. So at the gym, I can still hear quite a bit around me. Audio quality. Well, it's actually not what you'd expect at this price point. And that's not a bad thing, would you believe? The bass is present. Of course, it's not very punchy. Mids come through fine for vocals and podcasts. And the treble, guys, is a bit rolled off. It's not aptX clarity, although some listings claim aptX support. I wasn't able to confirm that in actual use. It sounds closer to standard SBC or AAC streaming. That said, for casual listening or background music during workouts, they do the job. You're not buying these for audiophile sessions, guys. You're buying them for convenience, and they do deliver on that front. Now, controls are fully touch-based, so you can see I've got the earbud just there. You can actually change them by pressing the volume up and down. You can tap to pause, play, long press the volume up and down, and triple press for voice assistant. There's a short delay between input and response, but guys, it's nothing unmanageable. Once you get used to the gestures, it's a handy way to keep your phone in your pocket. How about battery life? Battery life holds up reasonably well. You get about 5 hours per charge from the earbuds, and the case brings that total up to about 25 hours total. So I use them on and off for about 3 days and still had plenty of charge left. Now again, this isn't up there with, say, earbuds that get 20 hours in each earbud, but for a budget pair, it's not that bad. The case charges via USB as well, and there's a light indicator on the front, which is just there, which tells you the battery status. Now they're rated IPX5, so they're splash-proof and sweat-proof, but they're not waterproof. So it's perfectly fine for gym use or a light rain jog. So I tested these during a sweaty Gold Coast run, and they didn't budge at all. And and it fit quite well. So as you can see, which is good because I don't normally wear these kind of earbuds because I find they move around a lot. These seem to fit in the ears quite well. Now pairing is simple as it gets. You just open up the case, put the earbuds in, and they automatically enter pairing mode. Once they're paired, they reconnect instantly. So I tried them both with Android and iOS devices, and connection was quick and mostly stable. There was one brief signal drop in a crowded Bluetooth environment, but nothing major. So how about call quality? Well guys, call quality is acceptable. Not crystal clear, but usable. So people could hear me fine indoors. Outdoors, especially wind, it gets a bit patchy. But again guys, for $30 earbuds, it's what you'd expect. These won't replace your primary headphones for long calls, but they're fine for quick chats. How about app? Well, there's no app and there's no EQ customization. and no active noise cancelling. The build, guys, is plastic, let's be honest, and the lid in the case isn't really the strongest. As you can see, it's quite flexible. But again, for their price, they offer more than just enough to justify picking up a pair. They're perfect as a backup for travel or anyone who just needs a simple pair for workouts or daily commutes. So who's the Yobola T9 for? Well, they're budget-conscious users who want wireless convenience without breaking the bank. Again, guys, they're not the greatest earbuds on the market, and they won't impress audiophiles, but when they work, they're not the greatest earbuds on the market, and they won't impress audiophiles, but they work. They're easy to use, and they're reliable enough for daily use. So guys, would you wear these on your daily run, use them as a travel backup, or keep them in your gym bag for convenience? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, we're giving away one of these. Like the video, subscribe, click the bell, and check the description for more giveaway links. Until next time, guys, stay sharp and sound smart. It's Andy leaving you here today.